Hi everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. Today I'm bringing you a review of Tressallure new Breeze wig and the color Sunlit Blonde R color. Wow. Okay, first off, this is made with their regular synthetic fiber that really matches the feel of human hair. So no applying heat to it. It is beautiful. Okay, the curls. I mean, it's just, I don't think I've ever have had a wig this tight in curls personally in my wig closet. Wow. It's like Shirley Temple is what my husband and I were saying. I kind of wish these were curled. And I'd almost want to style this away just because I would kind of find myself trying to style this, but I think I would kind of do something like this. Oh, so cute. Also ponytail, hello. Like I used to wear my bio hair when it was curly in ponytails like this all the time. So I'm getting real ponytail vibes, updo vibes, half do styles with this piece. Now, this has that lace front, temple to temple, lace front. They got my favorites here at Tressallure and the full monofilament top, so you can part this any direction that you prefer. I mean, Tressallure, let's just take a look at this because, I mean, y'all know how much I rave about Tressallure ready to go, ready to wear wigs. I mean, look at that. It's just, it looks natural on any color. Even if this was a dark color, this would look that natural. Look at that. They just do an incredible job, and that's why their motto is ready to wear wigs, is because they are ready to go. There's no trimming that lace front. There's no plucking that monofilament part. It is ready to go. It's natural, and it's going to look natural wherever you part it. So let's go ahead and do a spin. I'm going to show this to you outside as well. We'll take a look inside the cap, show you those awesome features. For density, I am going to say this is still a medium to heavy density just because of the curls. Probably a medium. It doesn't feel heavy. And as far as permatease, I don't feel permatease at all in the back. Shocking, especially with these curls. So that tells me that this is definitely going to be a medium density because of the lack of permatease. I might feel some permatease in here on the sides. Maybe a tiny bit back in here in this crown underneath. Nothing that's going to stand out though. Okay, I bet you could even cut bangs in this, to be honest. Ladies, you could cut bangs into this. Wouldn't that look so cute with the light fringe here? Now, I never cut my own bangs, okay? So if you're gonna cut bangs, take it to a professional. Take it to someone that has cut wig hair. Most stylists have done training when they're trying to get their license and they've played around with synthetic hair. And take it to a licensed professional because I've never cut bangs in my wigs and I won't. So, but this would look really cute with bangs, I think.
So this color is Sunlight Blonde R. It's a 3-tone medium blonde blend highlighted with gold and rooted with medium red brown. Now this style has strands of hair that perfectly match the density for fresh cut fine human hair. It's a synthetic piece though. It tapers from the crown to the ends for a natural looking hair that moves like silk in breeze. Handcrafted, double knotted mono top and lace front will part anywhere for a realistic and undetectable hairline. This cap has an extended lace front, full monofilament top, velvet felt ear tabs, velvet felt extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. It fits my average 22-inch head perfect.
So I'd love to hear your thoughts on this new style. So Tressallure.com again is who sponsored this video. And then down below in the description of this box, if you just click see more, there'll be links of where you can get this wig and where you can shop for this wig. Also down below it will be a link to my Instagram and my hair Facebook account. I'd love to connect with you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. Click that little button. If you want notifications when I do a video, which I don't do a video that often, just depending on my schedule and my content that I'm doing for other channels. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to have your support over here at Wiggin with Christi. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.